Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, my dear brother, Dr. Ruto, my dear sister, Your Excellency, Ida Odinga, my dear brother, Your Excellency, former President of the Republic of Kenya, President Yatta. Let me stand on the protocol that have been well established since this morning. Here, in this place, I was with Raila on his invitation 31 years ago when Jaramogi Odinga was buried in this place. I was the special guest of honor on that occasion. And the person who made it happen was Raila Odinga. Since that time, we have deepened our friendship, our brotherhood, our working together for our two countries, for Africa, and indeed for the world. Over the years, I have come to know Raila very well. One thing that you could not take away from Raila is his love, passionate love for his country and for Africa. And that is what made our relationship to continue to grow from strength to strength. At this juncture, Mr. President, I want to thank you most sincerely for all that you have done to make this day a great day that it has been for our brother Raila Odinga, for the Odinga family, for the government of Kenya, for the people of Kenya, and indeed for Africa. Mr. President, the meeting we had in Mombasa, which brought you and Raila together, and which led to you making room for ODM and other parties in your government, is what make this day a pleasant day that it has been for all the people of Kenya. And indeed, it is for me a lesson for all of us in Africa, a lesson of understanding, a lesson of tolerance, a lesson of love, a lesson of accommodation, a lesson that our nation, our continent, is bigger than any individual or group of individuals in our country. That is a good lesson that we must learn. One thing that I always like about Raila is his sense of humor. Anytime we met, no matter how serious the situation may be, you can be sure that Raila will turn the tension to something to laugh about. And for me, I've lost a brother, I've lost a friend, I've lost a confidant, I've lost a co-worker in the vineyard of Africa. Sleep in the bosom of your Creator. Adieu, Raila Odinga.
Now, the late Prime Minister Raila Odinga had other friends